do not give up on yourself. If you need help, you will seek help. Welcome back to Makeup Without Limitations, where you'll be uplifted and learn something today. This eye look is one color eyeshadow look. Now I'm going to turn it into a 2-color eyeshadow look, and I'm going to use my glitter glue to put on my eyes, and then I'll use a shimmer to change this look into this 1-color eyeshadow look into a 2-color eyeshadow look. If you want to see the progress and the change, keep watching. I have this little brush right here, and I am going to start in the middle. I have hooded eyes, so whatever I put on my eyes, if I don't put it high enough, the rest of the hooded eyes will lift it up every single time. So I'll create one look, but then it usually looks like something completely different. But I'm going to create something different from 1 color to 2 color. I am happy you chose my channel to watch today. And there is always an uplifting word on this channel. Remember to hype this video so other people can get to see it. And I appreciate you always. So this is the glitter glue. Today's encouraging word says, with joy I recognize my perfection and the perfection of life. With joy, I recognize the perfection and the perfection of life. I'm still using my ice cream box and Beauty Moon Cosmetics. There is this shimmer here and this one. This one reflects a little orange. This one reflects a little green. I'm going to go into this one. The reflection of life is how we see our life. Some days we see our life like nothing is happening. We are so stagnant. We want our life to progress faster because we saw somebody else post how things have changed for them overnight. And that puts us in a bad mood because we think now, if their life is moving fast, why isn't my own moving fast? That is the wrong way to look at life. If you're looking at somebody's life and the progression they have made, look at it like if it's happening for them, it will happen for you. But all of us are on a different level. All of us are on different paths. Theirs might happen faster than yours. And then something else of yours might happen faster than theirs. It is all where we are at the point in our life. So when someone else has progressed, look at it like, oh, they progress, so I know mine is on its way. Or I see how they stay diligent to the project and work on it, so I know I have to put in the elbow grease and work towards mine. But never get jealous of somebody else's life. Everything that is sparkling and shiny is not always real gold. It's not a real gem. Might be sparkly, but it's not real. So look at your life perfection by knowing that you trust God and you pray, because that's the only perfection. And don't get jealous when somebody else has accomplished something. You don't know how many hours they stayed up doing what they're doing to get where they are. My mom used to say, before she passed, she always used to say, don't get jealous of somebody else's outfit or clothes or shoe or their house or whatever you see them have sporting, because you just don't know what they did last night to get to have what they have in the morning. That's what she used to say. Now, I'm going to go into the same color that I used for the one color, that berry color, and I'm just going to tap around the shimmer that I just put in. This is a 2-color eyeshadow look, so we're not adding anything extra. No other color, just this. I saw Zig Ziglar many, many years ago. I used to love going to those, to see people speak. I've also seen Les Brown in person many, many years ago. But at the one with Zig Ziglar, I remember he was saying that somebody showed up to his event, and when he was signing autographs for people, one lady asked him, if you're so rich, why don't you do this, that? She wants to tell him what to do with his money. And she said, where were you when I woke up at 4 in the morning to go to the prisons to talk to inmates and encourage them and give them the tools they need to go along their day? Where were you? Why do you want to tell me what to do with my money? So again, he was waking up at 4 o'clock, going out, doing what he needed to do, and then continue his rest of the day doing other things. But no one saw that because everybody else was sleeping. But now you want to tell him how to spend his money, the one he worked so hard for. So always know that if someone is progressing, they're doing hard work. It might not look like that to you because you wake up next morning and you see the house is painted beautifully, the grass is green and everything, and you're like, wow, I want my grass to be green like that. But you gotta wake up early and water the lawn or put on the sprinkler so your lawn can look nice and green. Don't always think that it was easy for the other person to achieve anything. It's never that easy. The way we see it, it's never that easy. There's hard work going on behind the scenes. I love you all, always. I left everything the same. The only thing I did was added one more shade, which is a shimmer, on the eye to change the look. From a 1-color eyeshadow look to a 2-color eyeshadow look. And you can do that. You can smoke it out. As a 2-color eyeshadow look, you can add a little shimmer for a little pizzazz. And this is it. You can use this in the day or in the night. Always remember you first. Love yourself plenty. Never, ever, ever, ever give up on yourself. You are way too important and valuable to God. Don't ever give up on yourself. Pray as much as you need to. Call upon his name as much as you need to, whoever you pray to, but do not give up on yourself. I love you always. Please remember to hype this video. Watch the videos all the way to the end, the complete videos, because that helps a lot. Until I see you and you see me, I pray that if you need help, you will seek help. If you need help, you will seek help. See you shortly. Bye.